your piece. You're gonna make it just like that, nice and like 90. You're gonna bring it over here, button it up to that right there. You're gonna do one hole all the way through to both sides. Then after that, you do your second hole, which is gonna be light right in this line that you kind of can't see, but it's there. And you do your second, boom, boom. After that, you take it over here, and you will take your clamp. I'm gonna clamp that right there. Then you'll bring it over here, drop it right there. This is a good, whatever position works for you, but you're gonna drop that down there. Boom, it'll burrow it out. After it's burrowed out, clamp off, bring it over here. You pop it in just like so. Little jig that we got here. And you'll take these two and you will pop that out. And the rest of it will come, they'll come in there. So make sure that you kind of empty them out. After that, you will use this drill to burrow out the two.
You're countersinking those.
Oh, you're countersinking. Okay, there it is. Yeah, countersinking. Just to
the
get
two
the grooves
holes
out.
that you've made on both sides.
Yeah, the 2 holes you made on both sides, but you only need to do one side.
To get it started.
To get it started, yeah. Then after that, you will get your bit. Where's that? There it is. And you will fish that through there, right in the middle, and get it to about right there. Not all the way through, but right about there. And then with those two holes you made, you'll use your rivets, and you'll pop one on each side. Go ahead and button them up. You want to make sure that there's no gap. So it'll be right, right buttoned up right next to it. You don't want to leave any sort of gap or anything. After that, you will pop this in here, and then you'll take out the bit that's been in here, that's been sitting because it's tight now. So you'll pop that out. After that, you just bring it over here. And here's a finished one so you can see. You will put in order. You got that. Boom. And then after that, you will hold this right about here. Right about there. And you get your drill. And then when you hear like one click, you're good to go.
What size range is that?
This is a 7/16. So you can use 7/16.
I think it's on both sides. 7/16 over here too.
Yep. And then after that, you will just get your pieces that you make. I like to make about 10 of these. And then so you can just get ready to go. And you'll drop it in. You got washer. And then...
So you got thumb nut, washer.
Washer.
Thumb nut.
Yep, exactly in that order. And then you use the flat side on the bottom and on the top so it's easier for the customer. And there you have it. So that's will be your finished product.